take this that hard.
I
Alright, good.
Okay.
We done fell asleep by the time you get the first one.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are at the Titanic.
We're in the back seat.
That's a good question.
Why are you in the back seat?
That's a good question. Because I wanted to take a nap and it kept getting messed up. So I said, okay, might as well start this video. Who's ready to go on the Titanic?
Titanic! Titanic! Me!
You want to go on that boat, Tegan?
Wait, all the kids sit in the back seat and all the adults sit in the front.
What?
I said all the adults sit in the front seat and
I
all
was
the
picturing like you and Tegan driving. I was like, huh?
Yeah, little ma.
Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just so losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my head.
What y'all got?
What you do is these numbers that are around on the walls, you press them into here and you can listen to like the audio. I guess they don't want it like loud and people just pressing buttons and stuff.
This little remote is basically giving you an audio tour. Tell me what you listening to.
I listen to this. Where was the other thing?
Like that, you're so close that I ain't focusing.
Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just so losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. Try to breathe, 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 try to breathe. Falling so deep.
So they have a lot of cool stuff in here. I'm sure you can't hear us. What do you think?
I think it's really cool, and if you guys look over here, this is something that they like wrote.
It's an actual letter somebody wrote.
Isn't that cool?
In the Titanic. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Look,
This
it like,
is the yacht.
it like tells you what it says.
Yeah, we ain't even made it to the ship part yet, and there's already a lot of interesting stuff.
There's a ship part?
Yeah.
We're gonna kind of go to the ship?
I guess we're gonna walk around. Probably won't talk too much, so I got this mask on, but we'll walk around and see what we see.
Yeah.
It's like I found a dog made after trailing. That's exactly how you would be
Oh my
in it.
gosh, yeah. In the Titanic. Oh my gosh, is he throwing up?
Huh?
I think that guy's throwing up.
Okay. Look, they had carpets down there, and bell.
Yeah, look at him now. That's so cool.
Pretty cool. Looks like they had 75,000 pounds of fresh meat.
40,000 eggs.
Just enough for trailing to eat for about 2 or 3 days.
Oh my gosh, look how much potatoes.
Yeah, that's trailing. You got enough food for you and your belly for about a week.
Yeah. Look at plates and all that stuff.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Wow.
There's the lemons.
staircase. This is the actual size of Titanic's grand staircase. We even used the original blueprints from the Harland and Wolff shipyard to recreate it. So all the dimensions, all the details are as though you were on board the real Titanic. If you look up, you'll see the beautiful skylight, which is made from a product called milk glass. That allowed the natural light to shine through during the day, and at night it was backlit by electric lighting. The wood that you see is all oak and mahogany. Now, believe it or not, the most expensive part of the staircase was the floor. It looks like marble, but it's not. It's the most expensive floor that was available in 1912. Linoleum.
How cold does the water feel?
It's 28 degrees and it feels like it's 18.
28 degrees cold?
That's so cold. Oh my gosh. Like, look at my hand. Oh my.
That's not really from the ship, right?
No.
I guess real metal.
That one's the least amount right there. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. Huh? What's that one? 30?
It was like this 150, it was like that until 5.
Oh wow. Is that way steeper? That one's 30 degrees. Next one's 45. That looks extreme. You're sliding.
Look at me, Mama.
Thank goodness she's in the lifeboat with me. Would we see our husbands again?
Audio recorder for that.
Don't get on the elevator.
We found a rose necklace. Rose's necklace, I should say.
You said a rose necklace?
Yeah. We found roses from the movies necklace.
Oh my gosh, look.
What's that?
Magnets.
Oh, well, you got iceberg slime.
It's only 91 cents.
You find slime literally everywhere we go.
No, literally.
Tingling the family.
time here.
So we just got out. We could talk a little bit. I would highly recommend it. What's your favorite part?
My favorite part was like where the iceberg was and like the sky, and you could touch the cold water.
Yeah, they had a real iceberg, and they had some water. That was the temperature of the
Yeah,
water.
it was super cold in there.
The people on the Titanic experience, it was super cold. It was like 28 degrees.
Yeah.
Took a huge anchor out.
I can ask you what my favorite part was.
Tom, what was your favorite part?
Okay, my favorite part was whenever we got to like feel the iceberg and like feel the water, and whenever
So that's everybody's favorite part, huh?
Oh, I like the part too when the water rushes down.
That's all I'm gonna say. Look at Tegan. Tegan!
VIP.
Oh,
I have to pee really bad.
VIP, T. Lee.
I have to pee.
Yeah, we'll give this place 2 thumbs up. Definitely come and check it out. I think you have to make a reservation in advance. Because everything's kind of strict right now and everything sells out quick. So if you do want to come, make sure you make a reservation. We got the red velvet funnel cake with cream cheese spread. Is that something you gotta add?
it's just their like red velvet funnel cake. Taste it, see how it is.
So that comes with cream cheese.
Yeah, it's just like the red velvet and cream cheese funnel cake. Chew it up first.
Where are we at?
Funnel cakes? What's it called?
Well, the funnel cake company.
I don't know. I just know it says funnel cakes.
How are we doing a little review of funnel cake, or you don't know where we are?
I know. Get on the butt.
You go buy it. This powder's making me like start choking.
How is it?
Great.
I like it better than the other ones that they got the regular.
Yeah.
What do we have?
The brand and more families try. If you have Medicare and more healthcare benefits than you have
Blue Christmas tree. People up there on the porch that didn't even see.
The train.
What'd you find down here?
Like a turkey. Looks like a whole turkey.
You can't really
So like
see.
nobody ate it or nothing.
I don't know. It's probably like a Christmas ornament or something.
Oh, that's literally a turkey, like a skinned turkey.
Mm-hmm. A skin turkey.
A skinned, like it's in pluck and everything.
Okay. What are you doing, Charlie?
Who said I think it's a fake
I've
cat?
been admiring this fireplace and Christmas tree, but the fireplace turned on, so let me turn it back on.
I like the fireplace because it has a timer.
Yeah, it has a timer for like how long they can.
I like where it's the water around it.
It's so hot.
Yep. I got it all Christmas decorated in here.
And we also found the ladybug on a coaster.
I like the rocking chair.
We should
Yeah, I like
give
that.
them a tour.
T. Lee will be taking a bath tonight.
Try, why'd you shut this door?
It's because I want to hear you pee.
Firehouse subs, who could have guessed?
Ritual.
A little partner came over here to join us.
Oh, he just barked
just
in
barked
your
super
face.
loud.
He just barked in your face and said, "Excuse me."
You're excused. Taking what you eat.
Firehouse, I got a sub.
You got a sub from Firehouse.
Okay, we should play checkers.
Gonna find some games.
Yes, and we're about to play checkers right now. And
Got some games chilling over there on the little entertainment center. What we got down here?
so we have these playing cards. Oh no. We have these, which is like all like spilled out, which I'm not gonna do that.
There's a non-bottle.
Yeah, it's like look, it's like for like school and stuff like that. Or, I don't know. Okay, y'all. So we're about to play tic-tac-toe right now, and we'll see who wins.
You gonna win?
Tegan's red. And
I got for
okay,
win.
come on. I'll let him go first.
What is for me?
Good. Taking us at that hard.
I
Alright,
got
go.
this.
We're gonna fall asleep by the time you get the first one in.
Okay, dude.
their machine washable dryer safe, and now 2 pairs of amazing certified
What's up, buddy?
Okay.
I got for win. I got for win. I got
Shall I let him win, y'all?
Charlie's been working on this for like 3 hours now. Getting us to
I
stand
tried
up.
it so many times. Now it's right.
Alright.
So let's make it count. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All that time for that.
Wow.
You having fun, kids?
What?
You having fun, kids?
Yes, we are having so much fun.
Who you tell who stayed up late last night? Guess we in the vlog with Chipotle. where it's nothing nobody's ever seen before.
Stop. Quit.
Tiffany her CDLs.
Actually, I'll probably not have no issues. It's a big mess over there. I shouldn't traffic the way back.